Here I'll go through the menu system. This is the normal display, just says GearDisplay and has the text of the letter and the character. Here I put little accent characters around it. Same thing, only I display the baseline voltage. And when I'm in a gear, I display what voltage the gear is at. Same thing with the accent. This is a more advanced view that you saw before. This is a standard deviation tolerance value, which I can increase or decrease. This shows the voltage of each of the sensors. This shows the raw analog input, so this is what I'm getting from my analog sensors. And so 511 would be exactly 2.5 volts, and I'm not exactly getting that. Here's my voltage input. I'm right about 5.1 volts, 5.01. Here's just a page of the letter repeated across the entire screen. Here's where I can get into the menu, and so I can determine the method that I use to determine what gear I'm in. I can say the LED can be on in gear, or when I'm in neutral, when I'm city driving or highway driving, or if there's an error, or turn it off. Here I can set the brightness of my screen. Here's the interval the tolerance will change. I can change the accent character around the letter. I can turn logging on or off. Here's more of those pages. Exit that, and now I can go into the log, and I can track how long I've done city or highway driving, the time over the lifetime of the unit, how much city driving versus highway driving percentage, how much uptime it's been on. Here I'm logging shifts. So if I go shift in and out of fourth a few times, you'll see that keeps jumping that number up. And so all I'm basically doing here is tracking how many times you've shifted into each gear. How much time I've spent in gear versus how much time I've spent in neutral. Percentage wise. And then this will log how many minutes I spent in each gear since the unit's been turned on, how many hours I've spent in each gear for the lifetime of the unit, percentages, and I can clear it.